Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a green look. A lot of you guys were asking me to do green, especially because it's not a color I usually work with. I don't know if you guys want it like an army green or a neon green. So if you still want something that's more neon, then just let me know. But yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. So I'm gonna prime really quick with my LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan. Now I'm going to hop straight into my Tatiyanah N palette, and I'm going to be using this green right here, and of course packing that into my crease. So going back into the Tatiyanah N palette, I'm taking this color right here. I'm going to blend out the green, and then I'm going to take this darker orange and just kind of tap that on top of where I put this color just to add some more color. Okay, let me do a bonus entry right here. So if y'all had me on Snap, y'all already knew this was coming. But there's one item, well, one thing that I absolutely hate wearing. It's a makeup item, a makeup product. I hate it. What is it? I told y'all to answer on Snap. And if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all have heard me say that I don't like wearing this specific item or product. By the way, if you have me on Snap, it's not a certain color. It's just the item in general. So you don't have to say the color that I showed y'all. I'm picking the first 3 people that gets it right. Y'all never see me wearing this item or this product. So going back into the Tatiyanah N palette, I'm going to grab this color right here, which is just a darker green, and pack that in my crease. We'll blend it in my crease, not really pack it. So I'm going to go back into the first green and blend this out, and then probably go back into the orange and that like golden brownish shade I showed y'all. Now I'm going to go to my Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to be taking this super dark green and packing that into my crease as well. But I'm going to kind of create like a halo, so I'm going to bring the color in to like right here on this side, and then also do some on that side. So right now I'm just adding some more yellow. And let me show you the palette, because apparently I said the name too fast and a lot of people are like, what? So this is the Princesa Azteca palette. I put it on the screen. I'm taking this gold color right here. This is my favorite yellow, our favorite gold, whatever. I'm gonna grab some more LA Girl concealer. I'm gonna tap it on my eyelid right here in the middle like that, and I'm gonna take my finger and just pat it. Like so. I feel like I already did this look. I did something really similar to it. So for this eye over here, I was kind of playing around with all the kind of greenish shimmers I have. But I did use that one first, so I'm gonna do that really quick. By the way, you guys, my favorite packing brushes are from Amazon. That's the answer to the last bonus entry. Well, the previous bonus entry, not the last one. So y'all see that it's not really like bright like I want it to be. Going back into my Boss Move palette, I'm gonna take this one. It's like a really bright green, but it's kind of golden, like that. And then I went into my Rude Pro Balloons palette and picked up, which one? Picked up this golden color and just placed that on top. By the way, this palette has some very beautiful shimmers. Like, I love them. I was really shocked. So I'm taking the matte black from the Tatiyanah N palette, and I'm just going to pack some here, and then also put some on the outer corner. And then also kind of lightly take it around the halo. And now I'm going to go back into my Tatiyanah N palette and pick up the darkest green we used earlier on a M432 and smoke that out. And then underneath that, I'm going to go in with the lighter green. And for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this lighter green from here, and then also take the one from the Balloons Pro palette, or the Pro Balloons palette, and top it off like we did for our eyelid. If you want to, you can take some concealer and kind of dab it right here first. That might help it show a little bit better. So since I've been using the Rude Pro Balloons palette, I've actually fallen in love with these shimmers. I'm gonna take this one right here and highlight underneath my eyebrow. Oh my god, see, do y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Excuse my not done edges, they are curled all the way up. I'm about to highlight with this same color I just showed y'all. And I always go for a shimmery eyeshadow before a highlighter. Like, y'all have never seen me use like an actual highlighter. All the time, it's always an eyeshadow. Like, I'm gonna definitely have to consider these little mini palettes when I'm doing my next giveaway. Oh my god. So if y'all were wondering, I take my Maybelline Fit Me on the shade 330, and I just take that on a powder brush. I dip it in here, and I use this to help me dust away my powder so I'm not ashy. I actually stopped putting concealer there. I don't know if y'all have ever seen a video with me doing my entire face, but I used to use concealer to actually carve that out. But instead of doing a concealer, I just go straight in with the powder. And sometimes it does not dust completely away. So I just find myself having to go back in with the brush I used to contour and trying to get rid of the harsh line. But some days I like a harsh line and sometimes I don't, but I mean, I usually just leave it like that. So I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Suede lip liner and Downtown Beauty. This one probably be cute. So this one's in the shade Cookie Butter. It's also an intense wear gloss from NYX. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit of cinnamon roll first, and then I'm gonna top it off with, I forgot what it's called, Cookie Butter. Oh my god. My ends need to be cut so bad. Okay, Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more looks, and if you have not entered my giveaway, make sure you go ahead and do so. I will link it on the screen. It will end in, I think, 6 days. Today's Memorial Day, so it'll end Sunday. And yeah, if you guys did not come with the answer to the bonus entry question, make sure you stop and go do that before somebody else does. And yeah, thank you guys so much for 6,000 subscribers. I think I left a comment saying that, but I didn't actually like say it to you guys. So thank you guys so much for that. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video.